What if I told you that we had a wax that's not temperature sensitive, so you can do it directly in the sun? Or in fact, I encourage you to do it in the sun because it works even better than in the shade. What's going on, guys? I'm Brandon from the SoCal Wax Shop YouTube channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use the Liquid Venom. This stuff is amazing. With most carnauba waxes, you don't want to apply them in the sun, but with the Liquid Venom, I encourage you to do so. It's not temperature sensitive. You can apply it in straight lines. You don't have to go in circular motions. So with that, I'm going to be using the Liquid Venom along with the jumbo microfiber applicator and an 1100 GSM microfiber towel. Alright guys, so our first step is going to be to apply the Liquid Venom onto the applicator pad. After that, we're going to go ahead and rub in straight lines on the car, let it haze up for around 5 to 10 minutes, and then once we're done with that, we're going to wipe it off with our 1100 gram microfiber towel. So the Liquid Venom is cured now. You can see on this side it's a little bit more hazy. That's just because I use a little bit more product. You don't have to use that much. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go ahead and wipe it off with our 1100 gram weight microfiber towel in straight lines the opposite way that I put it on. That way it gets in the grain of the paint. We'll be all done after that. Do keep in mind that you don't have to use an 1100 gram weight towel. Just know that the higher the gram weight, the softer the towel is for the paint, and it's more absorbent for the wax. So those little towels you can get from wholesale companies, I believe, are only 75 to 150 GSM, whereas this is 1100. I wouldn't go with anything less than 400 on car paint just because you're going to start seeing swirls and scratches. But that's going to do it for this week's video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the SoCal Wax Shop YouTube channel. All of the products shown can be found on the SoCal Wax Shop website, so make sure to visit that, and we'll see you next week.